back. I hope everyone is having an absolutely terrific Thursday. I am super excited, as you can see from down below in the description or title. We do have a brand new subscription to unbox today, and it is Pin Culture. What is that, you may ask? It is a hair tie, bobby pin, hair accessory subscription. So I will definitely go over some more information before we open it, just to give you a few more details. But also I do want to remind you guys, I do have the current giveaway going on right now. It is for the Show Me Your Moo Brie robe from FabFitFun and a brand new Michael Kors wallet. It is in my Disney Villains ColourPop unboxing video, so make sure you check that out and enter. We do have about a week to go, or 2 weeks actually, so definitely enter that. If you are new, please do consider hitting that subscribe button. We're getting so close to 2,000, and once we do, we are having a pretty awesome giveaway. I'm so excited. Like, I think it is my favorite giveaway to do so far. So make sure you also give the video a thumbs up if you do enjoy it. And as always, please leave me a comment telling me how your day was, how you're doing, and what you thought of the video. So let's get into a little bit about Pin Culture. So Pin Culture was created by their owner, Christina Park, when her daughters began taking ballet and I don't know that I've ever heard of this word, and I don't want to butcher it. So ballet and other classes, and saw there was a need for a steady supply of bobby pins and hair ties each month. Since they have expanded to 8 different boxes, so they do have a variety of boxes for you to choose from based on your needs, which is awesome. The monthly bobby pins and hair ties box contains 15 bobby pins and 10 hair ties each. The April box is worth $16. It starts at $9.25 a month, so depending on which of the 8 subscriptions you choose will depend on how much you pay. And then also the price changes, as you guys know, with many subscriptions. If you go ahead and prepay for 3, 6, or even 12 months, that will lower the cost per month of each box. So that is where it can get, cheaper. And I don't know about you guys, but the idea of a hair tie and bobby pin subscription is super awesome to me, just because as an almost 35-year-old woman, I still lose my hair ties and bobby pins like it's nobody's business. So to think of mothers of young girls and teenagers, I really think that they probably go through so many. So to get like a replenishment each month is pretty awesome. You do always get free shipping with Pin Culture, which is a thumbs up. I love free shipping. And she has ever so kindly also given me, you guys, a code for y'all to receive a discount. You can receive a 10% discount on any 3, 6, or even 12-month subscription. The code is SouthernMom19. I will put it down below, as well as a link to get you to Crate Joy, which is where her subscription is listed, so you can check them out and sign up if you want to. And then this is the neat part. Each subscriber chooses what color bobby pins and hair ties they receive each month. Bobby pins and hair ties are identical each month. Right now the options are black, brown, or blonde. And they are hoping to shortly add auburn into the mix. So, yeah, you can also from their website, from Crate Joy, they're, like I said, they have 8 different levels of subscriptions, but you can also purchase items that they have sent out before, which is pretty neat. So let's get in here and see. I know I obviously went with blonde. So yeah, she asked and she kind of knew. She's like, so I'm guessing you want blonde. But y'all, this packaging is so cute for April. Easter is this month, and it's got like little bunny rabbits. I love when, you know, companies send out subscriptions when they are in like little mailer bags like this, when they're cute little mailer bags. I think that is super cute. So let's open this up and take a look. So there is a card. This is how it comes. It's all wrapped up with like the cute washi tape, I think is what it's called. That's super cute. Let's take a look here. Oh, this card is so cute. The flamingo. Okay, so it says, Nicki, I hope you enjoy your exclusive sneak peek of the April small box of bobby pins and hair ties. This month's retail value is $16. Your subscribers can save an extra 10% on 3, 6, or 12-month plans using your code SouthernMom19 through May 31st. So that is awesome. So this is like a sneak peek of April's box. So I'm excited. And again, I think it's so pretty. So let's take a look. Yeah, like I said, I know I lose hair ties all the time. So I can only imagine. I have a son, obviously, you guys. I know I've mentioned that a lot. I could not imagine, you know, having a daughter and wondering where potential hair ties are going to go all the time. And I do really like that these you can select to kind of match your hair color, so that obviously if you don't want it seen, it doesn't have to be seen, kind of thing. I do really enjoy that. So we have a business card in here. Pin culture box, 99 bobby pins, but can't find one. And then we do have a little card. Oh, apparently there's a surprise item, so it's not just bobby pins and hair ties. Awesome. And the total value is $16. So let's start. Oh, this is cute packaging. If I don't drop it. So it's got the Pin Culture logo on it, and inside are the hair ties and the bobby pins. Awesome. And I love that these are like the thicker hair ties, you know, not like the really super thin ones. I like the thicker ones. Let's see if I can open this end and get one out just to see. Oh, they feel nice. They're soft, and they are like super they're not like too tight. That's one thing sometimes with hair ties that I really don't care for, is when they're like really tight, and it's, you know, I have a, you know, thicker hair, so even when I just pull it back like I have it today, sometimes I'm struggling just to get, you know, that second loop around. That's not going to be a problem at all with this type of hair tie. So that is awesome. I really like that. So yay for blonde. And then we do have obviously the classic, let's see if I can grab one out. this little guy back in. We do have the classic bobby pin. We all know what these are and we can all use them. So yay. Now I see another one of these little boxes, and apparently I didn't realize there was a surprise gift. So yay, surprise gift. And it is this beautiful crystal and pearl barrette. And y'all, this thing is so pretty. It's in the same type of box. Like, this is really pretty. Like, it's just sparkly and gorgeous. I really do love this. This would be really cute, you know, to like pull the hair back, or, you know, put right above like a ponytail if you've I like taking and wrapping my hair around a ponytail, usually to conceal a colored hair tie, which I don't really have to worry about too much anymore. But, you know, wrapping it around and taking a bobby pin and tucking it in, and then you could put this, you know, just above it for a little extra spark. So that is super awesome and so beautiful. I love that. And like I said, it's great that it's like a little bonus. So yay. So that was the Pin Couture April 2019 sneak peek. Like I said, I will put a link to the Cratejoy site down below for you guys, as well as that code SouthernMom19 to save you 10% on a 3, 6, or 12-month subscription. Let me know what you guys think. Do you go through hair ties like crazy? You know, put them here, put them there, you can never find them. Do you have children, you know, daughters that constantly lose them? Because I definitely think this is a subscription that a lot of moms would benefit from, especially obviously moms of little girls, and even teenagers. So again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and again, don't forget to enter that giveaway and subscribe if you have not already, and give me a thumbs up. That 2,000 subscriber giveaway is getting closer and closer every day. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I will talk with you guys at the next one. Bye.